we're going to study the three methods of heat transfer, which are conduction, convection, and radiation. But before that, you had a homework. You had to investigate three things. The first one is the temperature of a human body. The temperature of a human body is 36.5 till 37 Celsius degrees, 37.5. It is considered to have fever more than 37.5. Let's just say 38, 39, it's a very high fever. And the third one, I'm going to show you with this thermometer, which is a environmental thermometer, which is different to this one. And I will show you at what Celsius degrees does water boil. Here we have boiling water, and here we have the temperature, 94 degrees. Why does this happen? Because water boils at 100 degrees at the level of the sea. And Santiago is not at the level of the sea. It's a little bit higher. That's why it doesn't boil at 100 degrees. Now, if you put a metal spoon on this boiling water, what are you going to see? If you touch this spoon, you will see that it is hot. This is an example of conduction because I touch it. It's the transfer of energy by means of touching. This is an example of convection. It's the circular movement of air or water. Why circular? Because the cold water moves to the bottom of this pot, then there it heats, and when it heats, it goes up. Then when it's on the surface, cools down and goes down, and so on. So it's a circular movement. And finally, we have radiation. Why radiation? Because it's the transfer of energy but without touching. Here we have fire, and if I put my hand here, you will feel the heat, but you don't touch it. That is another way of transfer of energy by radiation.